iPhone 17 Pro design is more than just a fresh, bold new look. It also delivers a dramatic leap in performance that makes this the most powerful iPhone ever, by far. And it starts with an entirely new approach to thermal management, which is critical to system performance. We meticulously manage power and surface temperature to make sure iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max always deliver exceptional performance while remaining comfortable to hold. At the heart of the new thermal management system is an Apple-designed vapor chamber. Deionized water is sealed inside the vapor chamber, which is laser welded into the aluminum chassis. This efficiently moves heat away from the components, allowing for higher sustained performance. The vapor chamber directs heat strategically through the system, where it is efficiently dissipated and released by the forged aluminum unibody. We used an Apple-designed aerospace-grade aluminum alloy for its superior thermal conductivity, which is 20 times greater than the titanium we previously used. This proprietary alloy is also significantly lighter. As a result, it was the perfect choice for achieving this new design while delivering outstanding thermal performance in a product that remains comfortable to hold and use. And the aluminum is anodized in 3 stunning finishes: a refined silver, an elegant deep blue, and the bold and eye-catching cosmic orange. A key element of the design is the forged plateau, which efficiently dissipates heat and creates extra space for components, making room for a larger battery. And by integrating the antennas around the perimeter of the plateau, it helped create the highest performing antenna system ever in an iPhone. So every aspect of this design is engineered to maximize performance and unlock the full potential of the extraordinary A19 Pro. It features a powerful 6-core CPU and a high-performance 6-core GPU with a Neural Accelerator built into each GPU core. It also features a larger cache than A18 Pro and even more memory. When A19 Pro is paired with our best-ever thermal design, iPhone 17 Pro is able to deliver up to a whopping 40% better sustained performance than iPhone 16 Pro, making it ideal for intensive tasks like gaming, photo and video editing, using the latest Apple Intelligence features, and running local large language models. So you can play visually demanding games like Arknight's Enfield with hardware-accelerated ray tracing at higher frame rates hour after hour. This new design not only delivers exceptional performance, but also builds upon iPhone's industry-leading durability. The glass in the back is even better protected by the aluminum unibody design. In fact, it's no longer glass at all. Like iPhone Air, we're now using ceramic shield for the back. This provides exceptional strength. The ceramic shield back is 4 times more resistant to cracks than our previous back glass, and in a thinner profile, creating more room for the battery. On the front, the gorgeous display is protected by the incredible new Ceramic Shield 2, providing industry-leading protection with 3 times better scratch resistance than the previous generation. And the new 7-layer anti-reflective coating reduces glare and distractions, making the display more readable in bright lighting conditions, both indoors and outdoors. All these design decisions made it possible to grow the battery significantly, resulting in iPhone 17 Pro Max achieving the best battery life ever in an iPhone. For our eSIM-only models, we took advantage of the space formerly occupied by the physical SIM to grow the battery even more, to provide an additional 2 hours of video playback per charge, enabling up to an astonishing 39 hours of video playback. Next, let's talk about the Pro camera system, which combines incredible hardware with advanced computational photography to capture beautiful photos and videos. The iPhone 17 Pro camera system gets even more powerful and versatile. To tell you about it, here's Patrick.
iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max feature the best camera system we've ever made, with high-resolution sensors on each camera. On the front, we have the 18-megapixel center stage camera, our innovative new front camera system. the wider field of view and higher resolution are particularly useful when recording yourself speaking directly to camera, making our Pro models the absolute best choice for content creators. On the rear, all three cameras are 48 megapixels for the very first time. And not only are the sensors 48 megapixels, but all three are fusion cameras. We have updated the imaging pipelines for better resolving power. That means you'll get more detailed images at every zoom range and light level. The extended plateau on iPhone 17 Pro is also designed to house an all-new 48 megapixel Fusion Telephoto camera. It offers a 4x zoom at 100 millimeters and a far-reaching 8x zoom at 200 millimeters, our longest optical quality zoom ever. iPhone 17 Pro has our next generation tetraprism telephoto with an improved 3D sensor shift image stabilization system. This was necessary because it features a sensor that is 56% larger than the previous generation, which improves sharpness in bright light and provides better detail across all light levels. The new telephoto camera provides a longer reach and gives more creative choice. The 4x at 100 millimeters is a classic lens for portraiture, providing a flattering perspective and new options for framing. It's perfect for nature photography, freezing motion, and capturing stunning detail. With the additional 8x 200mm lens, we can get closer still with a beautiful depth of field. And like the 2x telephoto, the 8x also utilizes the updated Photonic Engine, which integrates machine learning into even more parts of the image pipeline. We apply deep learning models for demosaicing, which constructs the image from the raw output using the quad pixels in the imaging sensors. This preserves natural detail, reduces noise, and results in significantly improved color accuracy, especially in low light. And now, the digital zoom is up to 40x for photos. With the new 48 megapixel Fusion Telephoto camera system, iPhone 17 Pro has the equivalent of 8 Pro lenses in your pocket. We put iPhone 17 Pro in the hands of some world-class photographers. Let's take a look at some of the fantastic images they captured.
Those photos are absolutely beautiful. Now, let's talk about video. Our Pro models already lead the way in smartphone video. To match our quality, format support, and seamless integration into professional workflows, you'd have to look to dedicated Pro camera systems. No other smartphone comes close. We're even filming this event with iPhone 17 Pro. How cool is that? Amazing Pro features like Dolby Vision HDR, 4K 120, ProRes log, and support for ACES have been loved by filmmakers who also love how iPhone allows them to be closer to their subjects, more intimate, more nimble, and more flexible. This year, we're bringing some of our most requested Pro video features, allowing iPhone to integrate even more seamlessly into the largest and smallest of productions. We're adding support for ProRes RAW capture, which is the industry-leading Apple-developed video codec that records all of the information captured by the camera's sensor to provide unparalleled flexibility in post-production. It's ideal for high dynamic range video, and since we introduced it, it has become the industry standard for productions requiring the highest level of control and quality. ProRes RAW capture is supported by Final Cut Camera and Blackmagic Camera, and APIs are available for other developers. We're also adding support for Genlock, which enables super precise video synchronization. It's particularly useful for content creators and streamers. Whether using multiple cameras or on-screen graphics, Genlock allows for accurate and professional-looking transitions without hours of manual frame-by-frame alignment. When using an array of cameras, Genlock enables advanced filmmaking tools and techniques like time splicing or bullet time, which allows filmmakers to change the audience perspective while freezing time. Genlock is supported via the new Blackmagic Camera Pro dock, and we have APIs available for others as well. We're thrilled to bring these advanced filmmaking tools to iPhone, making them more affordable and approachable. iPhone 17 Pro truly sets a new standard. And to complete the experience, we've also designed a range of new accessories. We're introducing our tech woven case with a new innovative material. This woven textile is crafted with a technical process that uses multiple yarn colors to create a sophisticated look, while a protective coating provides a resistance to scratches and stains. We also have clear cases, as well as a great selection of colors in silicone. All of our cases feature a new button design that feels even better and more precise than before. The beautiful and functional crossbody strap that you saw with iPhone Air is designed to pair with tech-woven cases for iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, as well as silicone cases for all iPhone 17 models. So that's iPhone 17 Pro, by far the most powerful and versatile iPhone we've ever made. This is a huge upgrade, featuring a stunning design and powered by A19 Pro for our best performance ever. It also delivers an enormous leap in battery life. All 48-megapixel fusion cameras on the back and 8x zoom, along with our innovative center stage camera on the front. Plus, it supports the latest features in iOS 26, Apple Intelligence, and so much more. Let's see the iPhone 17 Pro in action.